Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn some sounds that are not in the English language, that are used in the Arabic. Let's start with the first one. The first sound is ha, ha. It's a deep h in English. Ha, ha. Next, kh, kh. It's a sound that we write it when we write the word in English. We use the sound k and a h together to make the sound kh, like the word bach. Kh, kh. Next, so, so. It's a heavy s. So, so. Next, do, do. It's a heavy d. Again, do, do. Next, to, to. It's a heavy t. To, to. Next, the, the. It's just like when you want to say a z, but put your tongue behind your teeth. It becomes the, the. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you guys have any questions, please write it in the comment. Have a good evening.